Welcome back to Copilot 365 Workflows. This is Lesson 2, where we'll show you how to automatically create tasks from every meeting. In Lesson 1, we covered the basics of Copilot workflows. Today, we're diving into a feature that will revolutionize your meeting follow-ups. Building on our previous lesson, Lesson 2 focuses on auto-summarizing your meetings and turning those discussions into actionable tasks using Copilot workflows. The main goal of this workflow is simple. After every key Teams meeting, Copilot instantly creates a clear action summary with tasks, owners, and deadlines, then shares it with everyone who attended. Let's look at how this powerful workflow functions, starting with the trigger and the data source. The automation is triggered immediately when a Microsoft Teams meeting concludes, provided that recording or transcription was enabled during the session. Copilot uses two primary sources for analysis: the complete meeting transcript and the meeting chat log. Next, let's explore the core logic Copilot applies and the different outputs it generates. Copilot's AI analyzes the source data to intelligently extract critical information: all decisions made, specific action items, who owns them, and any associated deadlines. The output includes a structured summary sent via email or posted directly in the Teams chat, with an optional step to create actual tasks in Planner or Microsoft To Do. Now let's walk through the conceptual steps of building this workflow in the Copilot app. First, navigate to Agents/Workflows within the Copilot app and initiate the creation of a new workflow. Use a descriptive prompt for Copilot to generate the workflow logic. Include instructions to analyze the transcript and chat, identify key items, and post the summary in the chat and email. Once Copilot generates the workflow, review the sequence: trigger, getting the transcript; summarization, notification, and optional task creation to ensure it meets your needs. After your review, save the workflow and make sure to turn it on so it begins running automatically after your next qualifying Teams meeting. Let's see this in action, showing the flow from a recorded meeting to the final structured summary. Imagine a typical Teams meeting where important decisions and actions are discussed, all while the meeting is being recorded and transcribed. As soon as the meeting ends, Copilot processes the data, and you instantly see the summary appear in the Teams meeting chat pane. The result is a clean, structured summary posted for all attendees, along with an email containing the decisions, action items, owners, and due dates. This Copilot workflow automates one of the most time-consuming parts of meeting management, the follow-up. By automating meeting summarization, you save significant time, ensure clear accountability for tasks, and guarantee that no action item is ever missed. Join us for Lesson 3, where we'll teach you how to use Copilot to build an automated weekly report builder, pulling data from Excel, emails, and Teams.